Welcome back. 0% export duty for Goan mining ore and 5 years tax holiday for tourism industry are the major recommendations proposed by the Goa Chambers of Commerce and Industry before the Union Finance Ministry. It has also suggested to promote IT industry through special economic zones. Union budget will be presented on 28th February. Goa Chambers of Commerce and Industry has sent some recommendations to Union Minister for Finance Arun Jaitley, who will present budget on 28 February 2015. Chambers mainly focuses on mining, tourism and IT industry. GCCI has recommended that 0% export duty on iron ore to give some relief to the Goan mining industry. Chambers said that there are no takers for Goan low-grade iron ore in the country. It has to be exported, but 30% export duty and low price of iron ore in the international market has rendered the business unprofitable. Taking into account profit margin, miners are not ready to restart mining in the state, which affects directly or indirectly 3 lakh people. GCCI has suggested 0% export duty on less than 62% iron ore grade and 10% export duty on more than 62 iron ore grade.
There's a lot of cost which the miners have put in for the last 2 years, that in spite of not having the mines running, they have been supporting the workers, they have been supporting the infrastructure, and therefore we have said that there should not be any export duty. We also, in our meeting with FICCI, we have taken up this matter so that this could reach through many sources to the government, and government is able to take a note of this.
Similarly, it has asked the Union Ministry to make special provision to exempt barge operators and other mining related services from service tax liability for a period of 1 year or till they receive the payments from the mining companies. GCCI recommends to give 5 years tax holiday, especially to tourism industry. Chamber has suggested tax holiday to non-polluting industries, green industries as classified by Central or State Pollution Control Board, and industries set up in 5 backward talukas of the state. Similarly, to develop tourism infrastructure, benefits should also be extended to tourism infrastructure projects like golf courses, theme parks, amusement parks and others. Responding to the call of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Make in India, GCCI has recommended removal of inverted duty structure to flourish IT hardware manufacturing units. GCCI suggested that new units in Goa, especially in the IT, electronics and pharma sector, be granted virtual SEZ status and give exemption from income tax. Reporter Mahesh Kadi with Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. Wine Festival Grape Escapade will be curtailed on 26 January. National Green Tribunal has directed Goa State Coastal Zone Management Authority to ensure that no event like Wine Festival will be held on the day. NGT has also directed other state authorities to declare 26 January as Dry Day. This order will directly affect the Grape Escapade Wine Festival. The petitioners Kashinath Shetty and Surendra Govekar brought to the notice of the NGT that a wine festival in Panji is likely to be held on the Republic Day. The wine festival Grape Escapade is being organized in CRZ area. Taking cognizance of the facts mentioned by the petitioners, NGT in its order dated 23rd January directed Goa State Coastal Zone Management Authority to ensure that no event like Wine Festival will be held on Republic Day. The tribunal also rejected Goa government's argument that this festival is annual traditional affair. The tribunal observed that the states cannot change their policies as per their will and desire because of their own local traditions which were in the past. The NGT also observed that such wine festival cannot be organized on the beaches or part of Goa, and that Republic Day shall be celebrated with all sanctity in keeping with preambles of the Constitution. Prudent contacted Managing Director of Goa Tourism Development Corporation Nikhil Desai. He informed, "We will hold event without liquor only if it is declared a dry day by government. However, the event will continue." Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. North Goa Rent-a-Cab Association has demanded a permit in North Goa to carry out their business. The association claims that the permit is given in South Goa. They met the Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar on Friday and requested him to legalize their business. They also complained of police and RTO harassment. Association members informed us that CM has assured to look into their problem.
North Goa Rent-a-Car Association आम्ही सराक मेळ्ळे तर सरान आमकां एश्युरन्स दिला की आमचे रेंट काराचे बेगानूच तो कितें तरी करून करता म्हणून सांगला तांणी आमकां ते सद्या कितें आहा की आमच्यो गाडयो वयर RTO आडयता पुलीस आडयता आनी आमकां सगळे वाटेन त्रास जाता सो त्या खातीर आमकां ते जाल्यार आमचे लिगली धंदो जावन आमकां खंय तरी आमी आतां 400 भुरगे आसात ह्या धंद्यान जे की आमी सेल्फ आमचो एम्प्लॉयमेंट आमी ओन करता आमकां ना गव्हर्मेंटाचो सपोर्ट ना आमी आमचो ओन धंदो केल्लो आहा सो आमी मागता गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन की आमकां लिगली धंदो करून आमकां खंय तरी हें करचें कित्याक आमी आमचे डिपेंडंट आमची आख्खी फॅमिली आसा चेअरमॅन सांगला की आपूण हे मॅटरान पळयता म्हणून आनी 10 दिसांनी परत मेळया म्हणून सांगला ते आपूण सांगता म्हणालो तुमकां कितें पळय.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.